But as you can see, it gives a lot of light. Absolutely love it, guys. Hello everyone, welcome back to Unboxing with Scott. So for today's video, we're checking out these solar lights. So let's go ahead and show you guys what you get. This solar light is good for barns, garages, well, basically anywhere and everywhere. Alright my friends, so this is what it looks like. You have a direct LED circle light right here, and then you have multiple lights on the sides. So if we go ahead and show you, you have 4 lights facing out. Now you can actually adjust them and move them facing straight down or out to the side or completely off to the side if you want. So it's fully adjustable, each one. So if you wanted to have it blasted straight down, you could, or just tilt them out to the side a little bit, you guys could. This is perfect for a garage light, chicken coop, you know, anywhere. You literally could put this anywhere. They have a little hanging hook right here if you want to hang it up. So basically what you do here is, this is the solar panel. So it's not the biggest solar panel in the world, but it's gonna be enough to power and, you know, power your light. And they give you plenty of cable. So what you're gonna wanna do is mount this on, well, mount this anywhere that's gonna get the most sunlight. You can thread these to tighten the position of your mounts, and you just drill, you know, your holes, and you put your screws down through in the bracket to hold it in place. And then you align this up, make this tight, and it's gonna stay. And again, you have plenty of cable, so if you want to run it through a garage roof or side of a garage, you can drill a hole, run this line through, then fill that hole back up and connect it. And all you do is you just connect it like this. There's going to be a little piece right on here that you thread this on once you have it connected, and you are good to go. So now it will start charging once it hits the light. Alright guys, so for turning this on, you press the on button at it, and when it's on, it's going to have this blue light that's blinking. That means it's charging. So, and it shows you the indicator light. All you have to do is press on again, and now you have the power, and it's fully, you know, completely on. If you turn it and press off, that means it's completely off. If you press on again, it will be charging and showing the charge, and then you just press on again and turn the light actually on. Alright guys, I wanted to show you how it looks. So you press the button, and what that does is that charges this, and then you press it again, and then it comes on. So I want to show you our garage. Now I don't have it set up yet. So as you can see, it shines the whole thing. I mean, when you take it away, it's still a little light, but it shines our whole garage up here. So we're gonna put it somewhere off to the center and line this up better. But as you can see, it gives a lot of light. Absolutely love it, guys. Tons and tons of light. So we got to set it up in another video. See you guys for the next review.